Sonny. Hold on. What's up with you being out all night?
Oh, I see. Joseph ratted on me, huh? What's up?
It's Dorman. He's gone.
Okay, you've had your morning shave. Now court is in session. Pierce Dorman versus the truth.
Now, I don't want to step on your little psychodrama. Emphasis on psycho. But do you think maybe I could have something to drink, or did you want me to die of dehydration?
That's a thought.
Now, did it ever occur to you that maybe somebody would be looking for me?
Name one.
Oh, I don't know, my patients? The hospital?
A few little adjustments in your schedule, and I fixed that. Here.
You have so much to lose, Monica. You can't prove a thing against me. On the other hand, I've got one hell of a kidnapping and assault charge to take to the DA.
Have you? I think it's one of those your word against mine kind of thing. And who said you were ever going to get out of here to tell anybody?
Monica, you're not really going to kill me, are you?
That's for the court to decide.
Oh. Help me! Somebody, she's crazy!
You want to, Pierce. Nobody can hear you. It's all vacant around here. We're the only ones, and I've paid the maid to stay away. First witness.
Oh, boy, you've really gone off the deep end, Monica. Witnesses? Are these witnesses going to be invisible? Are they going to be little green men?
They're going to be me. I'm the first witness and the last witness. Because I am the one who has seen everything. I'm the one who knows what's happened to the people that you've abused, that you have maimed, that you have killed, all at your convenience. Like Ned Ashton, for instance.
What, the billionaire CEO? Oh, my heart really goes out to him.
Actually, he was lucky. He only lost his wife and his child.
Oh, I see, and this was my fault. How?
You forced him to tell the world about our affair we had years ago that had nothing to do with you and I. It had nothing to do with anything. It was just for your enjoyment.
And it was enjoyable. It was true. It's not my fault if his wife dumped him. What is she, sensitive?
I charge you with destroying an innocent man's family and marriage. How do you plead?
I want you to be very careful with that thing.
Not guilty, of course. Have you ever felt guilty about anything?
I felt loss. I felt that when I lost you.
Lost me? No. I was running to get my life back, whatever you left me with.
Was the total in years or dollars?
Is in contempt. Now for the next charges. What you did to my sons.
All right, first of all, the attendant said his car was in the hospital garage all night, but nobody's seen him.
What about, what's her
Secondly,
name?
Rebecca.
Yeah.
Right, she's the one who tipped me off. She saw me outside his office and said, "What'd you do to Dorman?"
All right, that's not like her. Who else knows about this Mac Tagger? Who else?
No, not for me. If the cops were paying attention, Dorman wouldn't be gone right now.
Okay. Dorman's gone. You think Jax blew us out of the water?
No, no way. He said he wasn't going to, and if he said anything about Dorman being under suspicion, it'd be on the front page.
All right, I want you to go to Dorman's apartment, see if you find anything that he
Look,
left
I've been
behind.
there. I've been there. There's no sign that he packed fast. There's no sign that he even packed at all, okay? If he wasn't planning on coming back, I don't think he would have left this. It's a copy of Emily Quartermain's diary.
To the charge of making a public spectacle of my son Jason, as well as verbally abusing him every chance you got, how do you plead?
Self-defense. That mental defective tried to break my hand, and he charged me like a bull in my own home. He's an animal. And there's nothing going on behind those eyes of his, and I didn't do that to him.
Quiet in this courtroom.
Well, obviously he picked it up from somewhere, didn't he?
To the charges of destroying my son AJ's reputation and career, how do you plead?
Liquor did that.
You have any idea what kind of a nightmare you are? You stole our secrets from a little girl's diary, secrets that she was trying to understand herself. You had a good laugh over them, and then you read them to any reporter that didn't hang up on you.
You people tried to buy a drunk a seat on the city council. All I did was a public service by exposing him for what he was. Last time, he ran down his own brother. Who's it going to be next time? Not that you'd care, of course, unless the name is Quartermain.
So your defense is your love of mankind? I don't think so. Which brings us to your crimes against my husband. How do you plead?
Not guilty. At least not as guilty as you, who promised to love and to cherish him, not me.
Order!